Good evening, everyone. Hope you had a wonderful Saturday, and hopefully I can end it with a wonderful couple hits out of this SP Authentic box this evening. So first off, just want to show you that the auction did end. And there we have it, the last team, the Edmonton Oilers, getting picked up. And also many of you were wondering what time I will be opening the box at. Just to prove the time here, local time, Eastern time, 11:43, Saturday, July 16th. Wonderful day here in Ottawa. And box we will be opening this evening, SP Authentic box. 24 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Case number NE92584504 as indicated in your eBay auction. So let's get started. Recently I pulled some great cards, including the 7 SP Essentials 7 times, which included Taylor Hall. Perfect. Good luck to everyone. We got base, SP Essentials, Corey Perry, 1175 out of 1999. Corey Perry, 1175 out of 1999. And then another base. Our second pack. Base. Third pack's looking good. We got base. We have a Hollow FX, Shane Doan, Phoenix Coyotes. Base. Fourth pack, fatty there. We'll save it till the end. We got base. Sign of the Times, James Shepard, autographed. So James Shepard of the Minnesota Wild. Next pack here, base. Got another fatty, we'll save it till the end. We got base, and base. Base. Fat pack, we'll save that. Base, base, base. Base, base, base. We have a sign of the times, the Ottawa Senators, Ray Emery. Once again, Ray Emery, Ottawa Senators, sign of the times. And another base. Still a few more packs to go. And we still haven't hit the Future Watch rookie yet. Base, base, base. SP Essentials, Steve Yzerman. Number 67 out of 1999. Once again, Steve Yzerman, SP Essentials. And base. Base, base, base. Another SP Essentials. This one, Teemu Selanne, 1576 out of 1999. So that's the second hit for the Anaheim Ducks. And base. Base, 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 base. Base, 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 base. Base, base, base. Future Watch. Toronto Maple Leafs, 436 out of 999. This is Corbinian Holzer of the Toronto Maple Leafs. Base, 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 base. Oh, we still haven't hit the Future Watch rookie autograph. Base, base, base. So we got a Future Watch. 554 out of 999. This is Alexander Pachurski of the Pittsburgh Penguins. So Alexander Pachurski, 554 out of 999. Future Watch auto. And base. So 8 packs still to go. Still good stuff to come. Base, base, base. We got a Holo FX. John Tavares, New York Islanders. So John Tavares, New York Islanders, Holo FX. Base. Three fatties there. Fourth fatty, we'll keep those till the end. So we got base, base. We got an SP Essentials. Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. 776 out of 1999. So SP Essentials, Mario Lemieux. Base, base. Base, 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 base.